Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Oldsmobile 442. Great car, guys. I love the color combination. It's actually the factory color for the car, which is flame orange. Got a little metallic to it, which is factory. It's got the black vinyl interior. But really just a good car. This kind of car that's kept us in business for 40 years, guys. It's just a good, solid, straight, nice car. Factory small block 350 car that they put in it's actually got a 415 horse, 455 cubic inch motor in there that runs awesome. Nice little cam to it, pulls good, but just a great car. 84,000 original miles. Car's out of Virginia. It's got a rock solid body. We've got the original owner's manuals with the Protecto plate. Just a killer car. And really, I've always kind of said this, Oldsmobiles are great cars. I think Buicks, Oldsmobiles, and Pontiacs just are a step above the Chevrolets quality-wise. But just a great car. Car has had a frame up restoration, and you can see a lot of the trim and stuff is actually original, still in great shape. That's actually just a little wrinkle in the stripe, guys. It's not in the paint, but very, very nice car. Beautiful paint. Again, I love the color combination. Got some sunshine today, so you can kind of see the color just pops. Trim's nice. Dash is really nice in there. It's got the correct cutout rear bumper with the correct chrome tips for it. Again, car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got my favorite wheel on it. Those are the SS1 rallies with the Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Love that wheel. Yeah, that is one of my favorite factory wheels right there. It's got the front disc brakes. Dual sport mirrors. Again, this is not original, but it's got a 455 cubic inch, 450 horse engine in it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, headers. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. They're really just a good car, guys. It's just a little wax you're seeing in the vents there. The guys waxed it. really dig this color. Factory interior, little split there in your armrest, remote mirror. It's got the bucket seats, the console, sports steering wheel. Very cool option. It's got the Hurst His and Hers dual gate shifter in it. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Factory dash, 84,820 on the odometer. Factory AM radio. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it with the chrome tips. 12-bolt 323 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. It's actually got an SS1 spare, factory jack. That's touch-up paint for the car. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. If you're looking for just a good car, man, just something to turn the key and go have some fun with, split there, same thing. I just think you'll love this car, man. I really dig it. And I like the color. When you fire it up, I think you'll like the way it sounds. Drives out awesome. Dash is nice, those gauges are nice and clear, steering wheel's in great shape. Oh, the doggone things. Oh shoot, I forgot, Jay. Our little, grab our little things blew off with the wind. You know what, guys, I forgot to go underneath. Our little tabs blew off in there. We don't want to lose them. Forgot to go underneath, guys, I'm sorry, man. Floors are nice and clean, you can see the sway bar. Sorry, getting a little out of rhythm here, sorry. There you go, Jay's got our tabs back. Those are pretty cool. We have the original owner's manuals for the car. We have the original Protecto plate. All that stuff's in the glove box. Yeah, nice little cam to it. Car runs on pump gas. Good running big block, man. Fuel gauge works. Backup lights work. Car sounds good.
Nothing on the radio.
No?
Blower motor, yeah.
Okay, blower motor does work, guys. I know that light works over there. This is probably just a connection. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Facebook page. A lot of times as I'm at shows buying these cars, guys, I'll snap a picture, you know, right as I buy them. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.